Hey everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101. Hey, we're in the Latitude Med Center. We're in a beautiful 2-bedroom, and we're about to actually do a part 2 video where we're going to go into one of the bedrooms in here and take a look at it. So this is what it looks like in here. Beautiful bedroom, really is nice, and this also has the floor-to-ceiling windows in here. Very, very nice seeing this. We're gonna go in that bathroom in just a second. I was just trying to get the light on up there. Yep, I was able to get it on so you can see that. And then let's step into the bathrooms. The bathroom is really cute. It does have a dual sink in here. And then here's the beautiful shower. I love it. It's really crisp, and I love that it goes to the ceiling, and it just looks very, very nice. It's a beautiful area. And also you do have the shower too with a bench. And that also is super crisp with that backsplash going to the top. So, hey, I'm pumped about this bathroom. This is really, really nice. I'm now gonna go out and I'm gonna show off actually, let's see if we can just walk in really briefly into this second bedroom. There was the door, by the way. And so now let's go into the second bedroom here. And we'll walk into the bathroom. There's a bathroom over here. This is secondary, so it's not dressed up quite as much, but you can see it here. There is the shower area, and then here's the bedroom. So the bedroom's here, and this is what it looks like. It also has the floor-to-ceiling windows, and it's a little smaller. It can definitely fit a queen in here, and then it's got your closet in here too. So that's what it looks like, and that's your walkthrough we've just completed. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know what your thoughts are, what you think about this. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom. You'd have a lot of fun in here, but my number is below, and tell me what you think about it. If this is something you'd like to just go ahead and see when you can move into this, what the price is. Whatever you need, the number is below. I will discreetly help you. That's my personal cell phone number. Can't wait to hear from you. Just send me a text. You can also, at any time, go to our website at uptown101.com, uptown101.com, and put in a search request there at that site. So, okay, we've got one more floor plan we're going to see here at the Latitude Med Center. So we're actually going to go to that right now.